Hello friends, today's topic is estimating the cost of a single RCC beam. I am considering the span of 3 meters a beam and width 230 mm and depth is 300 mm. And bottom two main bars are 16 mm dia and one cranked bar with 16 mm dia. This is the cross section of a beam, and top two anchor bars are 12 mm dia. See, these are the details. Covers are 25 mm. I have converted the width and depth from mm to meters. Then the total volume of the beam is 3 into 0.23 into 0.3. Then 0.207 meter cube total volume. Top two bars are 12 mm. Already said that. Ash indicates the bar is HYSD bar. It means high yield strength deformed bars. Then one cranked bar 16 mm dia, and bottom bars are 16 mm dia, same. These two. This is the top one. These two. Then calculating the steel bars. Volume of the top two bars. First one 12 mm dia. Length of the bar is equal to total length of the beam minus covers, side covers, 2 into 0.025. Then you get the length of the bar. For the volume of volume means area into length, pi by 4 into 0.012 square into 2.95. Then for 2 bars, 2 into the volume. Then you get that volume for 2 bars, 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter cube. Okay. Next for cranked bar. Cranked bar is cranked 45 degrees. Then the total length of bar is 2.95 plus 2 into 0.42 D. 0.42 D. D means total depth minus covers plus bar diameter. It is the cranked length distance 0.42 D. 0.3 is the depth of the beam minus covers plus bar diameter. You get the crank distance. Then length is 3.14 meters. Then you have to calculate the volume of the bar, which is the formula is pi by 4 into d square into L. .3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter cube. I have calculated for the bottom main bars, which are same as top two. Next, stirrups. I am considering 15 number of stirrups. Then calculating the length. Here the formula is 2 into width of the stirrup minus cover plus depth of the stirrup minus cover plus 2 into 12 into D. 2 into 12 into D is the hook length. This is the hook length. Bent length, hook bent length. 2 into 12 into D. Then total length of stirrup is 15 into 1.152 and volume is calculated. Then to calculate the weight of the steel bar, formula is d square by 162.2. D is the diameter of the bar. For 12 mm bar and 16 and 8 I have calculated the weight of the bar. Then total weight of the 12 mm bar is 2 into 2.95 into 0.88. Then you get all the steel bars 16, 8, 12 mm bars. Then calculating the cost of the steel. For 1 kg of 12 mm bar, 32 rupees in India. The price varies daily. The price may vary daily, but 16 mm is 33 rupees, 8 mm is 29 rupees. Then you multiply it to the weight, then you get the total cost of steel. Then concrete calculation. To get concrete volume, you deduct the steel volume from total volume. See, I have deducted it, and volume of dry concrete is 1.54 times the volume of wet concrete. So I am multiplying the volume of concrete by 1.54. Here I considered M25 grade concrete 1:1:2, 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then the quantity of the cement required is 0.31 by 4 into 1440, which is the density of the cement. Then you get 112 kg divided by 50, you get the 2.24 bags, and into 395 you get 900 rupees the cement cost. Then sand density is 1600 and 1800 rupees per ton. Then coarse aggregate 1500 density, 2000 rupees per ton. Then the total cost of the concrete you get is 1610 rupees. Then add total cost of concrete and steel. You get the total cost of beam, which is 2600 rupees Indian currency. Subscribe for more videos.